The M4 drone is a commercial drone developed by Skyfish, a company that specializes in autonomous drone platforms for inspecting, measuring, mapping, and modeling critical infrastructure. The M4 drone has the following features. It has a foldable carbon polymer construction, with 4 motors that can reach a top speed of 65 miles per hour. It has swappable Li-ion batteries that can last for up to 35 minutes of flight time. It has a highly customizable, easy-to-use, ruggedized remote controller that integrates seamlessly with Skyfish's software suite. It can support various sensors and payloads, including Sony cameras, FLIR thermal cameras, and LiDAR scanners. It has an onboard computer called SkyMind that powers automated takeoff and landing, object recognition, obstacle avoidance, machine vision, and autonomous flight. It uses Skyfish mission control software to plan and execute complex missions with ease. It can create ultra-precise digital twins of any infrastructure, natural or man-made, using Skyfish's cloud-based platform called SkyPortal. The M4 drone is designed for applications such as surveying, mapping, and modeling of towers, bridges, power lines, and wind turbines with survey-grade accuracy. It is a state-of-the-art, made-in-America drone that offers a high level of performance and usability. Some of the competitors of the M4 drone in its class are the DJI Matt Rice 300 RTK, which is a versatile and reliable platform that can support multiple payloads, including the ZenMuse H20 series, the ZenMuse P1, and the ZenMuse L1. The Matt Rice 300 RTK has a flight time of up to 55 minutes and a top speed of 51 miles per hour. It also has advanced features such as obstacle avoidance, RTK positioning, and AI tracking. The Wingtra One, which is a fixed-wing VTOL drone that can cover large areas with high accuracy and efficiency. The Wingtra One can carry various payloads, including the Sony RX1RI, the Sony QX1, and the MicaSense Red Edge MX. The Wingtra One has a flight time of up to 59 minutes and a top speed of 37 miles per hour. It also has features such as PPK positioning, terrain following, and automatic landing. The SenseFly EBX, which is another fixed-wing drone that can map large areas with high precision and flexibility. The EBX can carry various payloads, including the SenseFly Asodie 3D, the SenseFly Area X, and the SenseFly Duet T. The EBX has a flight time of up to 90 minutes and a top speed of 46 miles per hour. It also has features such as RTK/PPK positioning, multispectral imaging, and linear mapping. The M4 drone has some advantages over these competitors, such as its ability to carry Sony's Alpha cameras, its swappable battery system, its ruggedized remote controller, and its onboard computer SkyMind. However, it also has some disadvantages, such as its lower flight time with payloads, its lower top speed, and its lack of obstacle